Python gives us lots of ways to store data, but beginners often get stuck on one big question. Should I use a list or an array? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. First up, Python lists. These are your best friend when you're starting out. They're super flexible and easy to use. A single list can hold numbers, text, and even true or false values all at once. This makes them perfect when your data is a mixed bag. That's why you see them everywhere in Python code. The only downside, they can be a bit slower and use more memory, especially with large amounts of numbers. Now, let's talk about arrays. Arrays are all about performance. Unlike lists, they usually stick to just one data type, like all integers or all decimals. This makes them way faster and more memory efficient. If you're into data science or heavy-duty calculations, arrays are your go-to. But remember, they aren't as flexible as lists. So, which one should you choose? Here's a simple rule. Lists are for flexibility. Arrays are for performance. If you're learning, building small projects, or dealing with mixed data, stick with lists. If you need speed and you're working with tons of numbers, arrays are the clear winner. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more simple and practical Python tips. Thanks for watching!